See what's behind us? Yeah, we're going to rip into the boot today. I'm going to get all the panels out and I'm going to reveal what my plans are for those panels. Okay, let's get into it. Roll that intro.
Zombie apocalypse.
As you can see, this boot area is pretty ordinary. It's pretty faded, pretty sun faded. So what we're going to do, we're going to rip all this out. All this, all that. Look at that. Look how buggered that is. And I don't know about this carpet. We'll see about this carpet, but yeah, let's get started, shall we? Alright, I'm going to start with this back piece first. The looks of that, there's one screw there, it's already removed. One screw there. Yeah, same there. And there. And oh yeah, down there, and the same on the other side. Oh no, wait a minute. Yep, no, that's it, same on the other side. So we've gone ahead and undone all of them, and I'm stuffing around trying to figure out why this thing won't come out. We're going to have to undo this one here, so let's go ahead and do it. How about we get a correct screwdriver, hey? There's one. Oh, look at that. So there we are. That wasn't very hard at all. Right. Huzzah! Alright, now for this one. So I was held in with this. I've got ahead and remove that. And then the screws here. Oops. I better set the camera up properly, hey? Come on now. Screws here. Yeah, got those two. Screw there. Screw there, and take these out, which I've already done. You're welcome. And yeah, there's a screw up there too. Alright, trying to film in sun. I can't see shit out of the bloody view screen, but there's that screw there. I'll go ahead and get rid of him for you. You're welcome. It looks like the 2 bolts here. And then this can come out. Let's go ahead and do that. Almost off the... Oh. No, same size, only a bigger thing. You know what? I'll cut back when I find the right socket. So come out now. No, still needs more. Come on, you bitch. WD-40, come on, out you come. these frickin' bolts. There's one. And there's one of those electric bloody ratchets. She would have been done by now. There we are. Has that done it? Oh, look at that. Fig jam. Oh yeah, here we go. So I've got this thing here. Not to break it. I hate these things. I fucking hate these things. There we are. Right. Take another one out. Might leave that here. Okay, let's start on the other side, I guess. Don't ask me what I'm going to do about this carpet. Put everything together. Okay. Screw there. Looks like we've got the same up here. Set you up properly, hey? So now watch my screw up in HD. Okie dokie. Oh, that sucks, I meant to be a bloody speaker cover. Alright. There's another one. Right. Right there you are. Another one. I need an electric ratchet. Anyone want to sponsor me? There we go. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's like 38 degrees, I'm sweating. So I don't know how to get this carpet out. I'll be right back. I'm going to have a fiddle fuck around and we'll find out, okay? Looks like this carpet is held down to this seat with some screws here on this board, so come on. There we go. Yeah. Yep, it's coming out. Look at that. Let's give these bloody screws. Leave that behind. Don't need that. I have to get to those somehow. Look at the big brain working. Okay. Oh, that wasn't so hard. Ta-da! All right. Looks like the carp will just pull right out now, so let's clean up all of this and go and do it. Ta-da! Yeah, carpet completely fried. I was thinking about trying to re-dye it, but nah, look at that. She's completely gone. Get online, see if I can find another one. That's one job off the list, done. And under here, doesn't really look too bad. Doesn't actually look too bad. Alright, I think that's enough for one video. We've got something off the to-do list done. All these parts over here. Well, I'm going to go and try and freshen them up. I'm going to try just give them a very, very light sanding. Very, very light. I'm talking like a 2000 grit. Clean them up, hit them with some spray paint, see if I can't freshen them up a bit. But yeah, that was one job off the list done. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me. It's like 40 degrees where I'm at right now, so I'm not going to spend all day in the sun for you, getting my ass fried. So if you like this, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Peace.